Hey guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be testing out a brand new brand. This is brand new for me. This is the Venalisa Crystal Gel Kit. So when you open it up, you have your beautiful packaging. I love how organized and sleek everything looks. It looks super luxurious. So on the top part of the box, you have your instructions. Then you have your base and top coat. Some dual forms. I didn't use these because they're super curved and I prefer straight forms, but you do get dual forms. You have some nail art, your 180 grit file, your polygel brush, your slip solution, and your 4 polygels. These are all 30 grams, which is a full-size product, so I really enjoyed that. You get a clear, a white, a baby pink, and a peachy pink. These cured in my 72 watt lamp within 1 minute, so that was great. Here's what they're looking like all cured. As far as prep, the only prepping I'm going to be doing is pushing back my cuticles. So I use some softener, my cuticle pusher, and I'm just gently pushing back the skin. Now I'm just cleaning that off with some alcohol. And if you want your nails to last, you want to use that 100 side to buff up your nails. Use dehydrating primer and then base coat. I will also be using the Attitude Shop tips. I use peel off base coat instead of prepping, but once you are all prepped and ready, we can go ahead and start with the ombre. So I'm using that white and I'm first fitting it to the tip of my nail. So we push that bead from sidewall to sidewall, then we're dragging it up to the tip. And now for that bottom part, we're just going to fade it down into the natural nail. We're doing the exact same thing on the middle finger. So I really liked working with this polygel. The consistency was really nice to work with. It was on the stiffer side, which I love because it stays where you put it. One thing about the white is that it's not a bright white, it's more like an eggshell white. So just keep that in mind. It isn't a good or bad thing, just something to know. So moving into that ombre, first I'm placing that peachy pink on my nail. I'm going to move it side to side, bring it down to my cuticle, and also create a line of product that I can drag up and fade onto the white for the ombre. So I'm doing the exact same thing on my middle finger. Something that I really liked was that the consistency of the polygel was the same throughout all of the colors. I've had polygel kits in the past where the white is one consistency and the clear is another, and then the nudes are another. But I really liked that all of this had a nice, stiffer consistency, so it was super easy to work with. Now we're moving into that clear. I'm just encapsulating everything, so I put a bead in the center. I'm leaving a lot of that product in the middle of the bead, and I'm just dragging out the edges so that we still have an apex. So after I drag product up to the tip and down to the cuticle, I smooth it out and cure it. Now this clear was pretty nice. It wasn't super clear, not the clearest polygel I've tried, but it didn't cloud up my fade, which I really appreciated. So once that was done, we are moving into the other 2 nails. So I placed a bigger bead in the center of the nail and I brought that product from side to side and down around my cuticle. And then we're going to bring it up and we're going to leave the edges of the tip out because we're going to be doing like an outline of white polygel. So once I have that done, I made sure my cuticle was all cleaned up and then I cured it, and I'm doing the exact same thing to my pointer finger. Something I liked about this kit was the slip solution. Whenever kits come with slip solution, I usually end up switching it out and not using it because it always just changes the way I work with the polygel, but I didn't have to change this out for my normal slip solution, which is alcohol, so that's nice. Just cleaning off that sticky layer because we need to do a little bit of filing really quick before we move into the rest of the application. We're just cleaning up the edges of that outline nail, making sure that it's really sharp, because once we lay down that white polygel, we're not going to have a chance to alter the shape of the pink. So we want super crisp lines, and once we have that, we're just going to clean off the dust and go back in with the white. And I'm just applying just enough product to cover up the corners. This was super easy. You're just filling in the blank spaces. So you guys know I love doing designs within my polygel, not just like doing design on top of it with gel polish or anything. And I had a really easy time doing that with this, so I really like that. I really didn't have an issue with anything in this kit. It does not come with a lamp, but I still think that it's a pretty good starter kit if you already have a lamp. I really enjoyed it. I thought the polygel was easy to work with. It came with such beautiful colors. Very versatile. I love that they're full sized, so there's that. It was super easy to file as well. We're gonna go ahead and get into that. I'm just using that hand file to clean up the shape. I noticed that there was a little bit of fallout from the purple file, but it didn't really alter the way that I was filing my nails and cleaning up the shape, so no biggie. Now for my e-file, I'm using my Melody Susie drill that I tried out a couple days ago, and I'm just going around my cuticle to clean that up, going up and down to debulk the nail and side to side to smooth out the nail. So they're looking so cute. I could definitely top coat them now, but I just wanted to do a little bit of nail art with the nail art that they provided. It was really cool. It wasn't just like regular rhinestones. There were some AB stones, but there were also some like pearlescent stones and some gold beads. So we're using some rhinestone glue and the top coat to have a nice sticky layer for our nail art to stick into. And as you can see, I'm using the pearl like stones to create cute little flowers with gold beads in the middle. This ended up being so cute, so I'm just applying all the stones and fixing them up, and then you will see me put it in the lamp to cure. And now we're just gonna top coat the rest of the nails. I love this part, revealing the beautiful designs that we created. It all looked so nice. So now that they're all shiny, we're gonna cure this and use some cuticle oil. I love them. I think they are so cute. Like I said, this polygel kit was so easy to work with. Venalisa was also nice enough to create a discount code for you guys in case you're interested. This kit runs for about $34.99, and they gave me the discount code Victoria10, so you can get 10% off. I would definitely recommend this kit if you are on the lookout for something very neutral but also versatile. I hope you guys enjoyed the design. I hope you enjoyed the video. That's all that I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.